If I walk into your business today, there are 5 systems I would expect to see. If they are missing in your business, then that's why you are probably chasing money, wondering where your profit went, or even trying to figure out why your stocks never get balanced, or feeling that your business can't function without you being there. The truth is, so many small businesses don't have a sales problem. What most small businesses have is a system problem, because systems are what makes a business run consistently. Without them, you spend every day trying to solve the same problems over and over again. So, if I have to review your business today, there are 5 systems I'll be looking out for first. Hi, this is Ife's Insight. I make videos that help small business owners to manage their money, understand their numbers, stop losing money, and build businesses that are easy to manage. Does that sound like what you want to hear? Then you have to stick around. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, okay? That being said, let's dive right into the video. So, if I walk into your business, the first thing I'll look out for is your sales recording system. If I ask you what your business made yesterday, can you confidently answer this? Like, can you confidently give me the exact figure, without trying to guess or without even trying to give me an estimate? Like, can you give me the exact figure of what you actually sold yesterday? Business decisions can't be based on estimates. Every cash transaction, every POS transaction, every credit sale, every inflow that comes into the business should be recorded, because it is only what gets recorded that you can actually review, and what gets reviewed can be improved on. If I don't see a proper sales recording system, then that is probably my first concern. The second thing I'll look out for is your stock management system. By now, you already know that your stock is money sitting on your shelves. So my questions to you would be simple. How do you know what comes into the business? How do you know what you sold? How do you know what got damaged? How do you know what actually got expired? How do you know when you are running low on stocks? If your answer is we just check from time to time, then that is definitely not an answer I will take. That is no business system. A system gives you answers, not guesses. Like, you don't do guesswork. The moment you stop keeping track of your inventories, then that is to say you've also stopped keeping track of your money, because that is your money in the form of goods and you have to track it. The third thing I'll look out for is how you track your expenses. If I ask you how much your business spent last month, can you tell me? Most businesses are very good when it comes to recording sales, but when it comes to recording expenses, in fact, they are minus zero zero. They do not record transportation, they do not record the cost of packaging, marketing, data, repairs, electricity, cleaning materials, and what have you. In the eyes of the business owner, these expenses are little, and you don't know that it is those small small 2,000 naira here, 5,000 here, that amount to something big. The moment you begin to add up all those expenses, you will discover that they can actually wipe out your profit if you are not careful, and this is why you need to record them. Recording your expenses as a business owner is not optional, like, it is compulsory. It's something you must do. This is actually one of the easiest way for you to know where your money is going into. The fourth thing I'll look out for is how you manage your customers. Many business owners spend all their energy looking for customers, but they don't even have a system that will help them keep the ones they have, that will help them keep the ones that are even loyal to their brand. So, after a customer buys from you, what actually happens next? Do you collect and save their contact details? Do you follow up on them? Do you check up on them? Do you call them on their birthdays to celebrate with them? Do you also let them know when you have new stocks arrival? Do you also check to know if they were satisfied with the services or the products they got from you the last time they came visiting? Or do you simply just sit down and wait for them to come back? Do you know that for someone that has bought from you before, it's easier for that person to become a returning customer rather than having to convince someone that has not patronized you before? And this is why every business will need to have a follow-up system for their customers. Lastly, I'll look out for a business review system. This is probably the most important one on my list. Every business owner should at least once in a week sit down at the end of the week and then look at their records. Look at what actually went on into the business. Look at what came in. Look at what was sold. Look at the expense they actually made. Like, look at your business numbers. So, as a business owner, you would need to ask questions like, how much did we sell this week? What was our biggest expenses? Was any stock damaged? Did any stock get missing? What products did we actually sell the most? What products did we rarely sell? What problem kept repeating itself this week? What did our customers actually complain about this week? That simple 30 minutes can save you from thousands, if possible millions of naira. Because problems are easier to solve when you catch them early. So many business owners are so busy working in the business that they never create time to work on the business. There is a difference between the two, and then you have to know it. In conclusion, if you've noticed anything about these five systems I mentioned, you will notice that they are in no way complicated. Like, you don't need expensive software, you don't need a large team, you don't even need a big business for you to do this. All you need is consistency. All you need is the ability for you to be consistent enough to start and continue doing this over time. And that is because businesses don't become organized by accident. No, it is a deliberate effort. Businesses grow because someone intentionally built a system that kept the business running. So before you close your business for today, ask yourself, which of these five systems apply to you and which one do you actually need to work on? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it to people you know would be needing this knowledge. Until next time when I come your way again, thank you so much for watching.